This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by confirming prerequisites and launching Docker so you can learn by doing. Install Docker Desktop or Docker Engine and enable virtualization or WSL2. Once installed, run Docker run Hello World to verify the daemon responds. Then Docker run it Ubuntu to get a shell and experiment. Make sure to check Docker PS, Docker images, and Docker version to see containers, images, and client-server versions. These initial commands prove the environment works and let you iterate immediately. Next, you learn how images are created and combined so you can reproduce environments. Write a Docker file with from, run, copy, expose, and cmd because layers and cache drive build speed. Build an image with Docker build tmyap, 1, 0, and inspect Docker history to see layer effects. Once one image works, model multi-service apps using Docker Compose. Iml to declare services, networks, and volumes, then Docker Compose up to run them together. Understanding caching, tagging, and compose brings reliable, repeatable development environments. Finish by packaging, deploying, and validating so your work becomes production-ready. Tag and push images to a registry, then pull and run them in another host or CI job. Automate with pipelines and include health checks. Optimize with multi-stage builds or smaller base images to cut size and attack surface, and use volumes for persistent data. If things go wrong, first check the Docker daemon status and permission errors. Consult Docker logs and system firewall or WSL2 settings, then restart the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.